This is the ZEBLAZE analog-digital hybrid smartwatch with a curved glass cover that's touch sensitive to bring up a display that will show you all kinds of data, including your step count, distance traveled, calories burned, and last night's sleep time, along with thunderstorm, that's your weather, here's your heart rate, it's computed instantly, and your blood pressure reading, also taken from the diodes in the back. Beyond that, you've got an area where you can long press to go into a run and track all of the data associated with that, and of course, more functions as well. It's very attractive, a nice TPU band, numbers around the black bezel, and always on analog time. The ZEBLAZE Hybrid. Check it out.